this video is going to be 1 month update video on my tummy tuck, as well as going to my doctor's visit and him taking out my belly button stitches. You'll get to see all of that. Also see how my scar's looking, and because he took all the tape off of that. So come along in this segment. It's been a busy 2 weeks since my 2-week update. I went back to work in the office. Then we had my kids had spring break or Easter break, but I had to work. I'm a worship pastor, so this last week was really busy with Easter. Then we had Easter, festivities through the weekend and getting kind of all that. And so it's been a busy 2 weeks, and we're going to talk about my swelling during that time, as well as show you some pictures through the progress. You'll actually see where my swelling hit really bad at 4-week mark, the 28 days mark. That's starting to come down, and I've been having lymphatic massages as well, so that's been really helping a lot. So come along on the journey of this from 2 weeks to the 4-week mark. So today is 4 weeks since surgery. I'm really swollen today, really swollen. I don't know if I'll show in here, but I did a 25-day before picture. At 25 days I took a picture and compared it to before surgery. And today I woke up and I was just like, I am so swollen. And I have some, stuff going on contributing to that, but I was just like, holy smokes. So I compared today to 25, and I'm definitely swollen. Hoping the massage will help today. I gotta up my water for the day. So I'm waiting on my masseuse to get here, which is why I took off my hair and wearing a tank top and everything. So my masseuse will be here any minute. I've been wearing a foam pad underneath my garment, and that's been really helping. Oh man, I'm sleeping on my sides. I'm sleeping pretty much almost flat on my back, except with something underneath my legs. Definitely still need a muscle relaxer and 4 Advil before bed. Without that, I'm in a lot of pain. So, anyways, things are going good. Other than that, and definitely feel good when I have my garment on. Definitely feel good and protected, but definitely have my ups and my low days, and just really swollen this week. I've been in a lot of pain this week, a lot of pain. And I had heard that. I had heard some people saying they had more pain week 4 than they did about week 3. So I think this is normal. So anyways, just wanted to do a quick update, and I'll see you guys later. Hey everyone, this is, 4-week update. Yesterday was 4 weeks since my surgery. Today, my mom and I are headed down to my doctor's appointment. We'll be taking out stitches in my belly button, I believe, and maybe taking off the tape and any more, I think there's more stitches in my incision, I'm not sure, but I will try to film that and film that appointment for you guys. And I think I did a video yesterday. It's just been a little bit more painful this week. My abs have been hurting, but other than that, it's just day by day. I'm kind of tired still, keeping up on all my vitamins, but know, this definitely is a surgery that takes a lot out of you. I've heard after 6 weeks, you start to feel more alive. So, you know, yesterday was 4 weeks, so a couple more weeks, I think, of just feeling pretty weak. But I will film as much of my appointment today as I can. Okay, at my 4-week appointment, waiting on my doctor. So, it's my mama. But living in leggings still, unless I'm wearing like a dress. Okay, just waiting on the doctor now for my 4-week appointment. The ACs are in here are really loud, so just waiting on the doctor to come in, gotten a gown, and I believe we'll be taking off this and stitches in my belly button. And my belly button got red yesterday when I was cleaning it with hydrogen peroxide. There was like a little bit of a scab, so I picked that off, but I'm kind of a little worried. It's a little red, so we'll see what he does today. So just waiting on him, and yeah, so we'll try to film it on the video, try to keep things decent for that. So stay tuned.
You feel better?
Still in ab pain, but yeah, for the most part, I'm doing better.
Good.
I can get up and down stairs. I'm almost sleeping flat. I have like my head like this, and then something underneath my knees.
Standing up straight.
I mean, sometimes. For the most part, I'm short torso, so I think that helps.
Let's take a look.
Okay, and my belly button yesterday, I was cleaning it with
Ooh, you look good.
Wow. I've been swollen, but I've been getting massages.
Yeah, lymphatics massage.
Yep, and she just did one yesterday.
Look at the contour.
I know.
That's Christi.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna change your tape. So
oh yeah, it fell off here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take
in the shower.
You don't need this. You don't need these tapes.
Okay.
Okay, so it's gonna be a little wrinkly right there, and that's normal.
Okay.
And then today I'm going to take the rest of the sutures out of the belly button.
Yeah, my belly button's been a little red.
Yeah.
I've been using hydrogen peroxide though.
Good, that's good. But this bump's okay. These little stretch marks are good, but the contour is key.
So what can I rub on it?
Anything you want.
Like
gasoline.
With like a vitamin E oil or?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Do you have any stuff that you sell here that would be good for it?
Well, biocornium, but you don't need it. So this belly button is really hard to heal, but because the way I sew it, but the whole trick is to make the belly button look like very realistic.
Yeah, it looks really realistic. I don't even know what the inside of my belly button looked before. It was deep and always got irritated.
Yeah. This is just smuts.
Actually, I don't even feel this.
No, you shouldn't feel anything. This should be
a little bit, little sting.
There's a belly button right there. And there's about 16 sutures in here that are holding you together.
16?
Some of them are permanent, most of them are absorbable. So you're going to see them start to dissolve a little bit in the next 3 weeks. Okay. So you'll see a little redness. This little bit right here, there's a little separation here, but that'll heal fine.
Oh, that's a separation?
A little bit, that white spot?
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's not infection?
No, not infected. And then you can see there's not much red. The redness is where the sutures were, so that's the irritation, but you can see how it's clear.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's clean. Yeah.
She doesn't need to do anything to
it. No, it looks beautiful. So it looks beautiful. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see that. Oh.
This is, you had a little hernia of your belly button. That's what that's all about. But I did put a suture that pushed it down. Yeah.
It looks like white gooey stuff.
Yeah, that's her old belly button right here. So,
really?
So I did put a suture back here to push it back in, but you had a hernia, so your belly button wants to pop out. And I put some sutures back there to kind of tighten it up.
It's an outie belly button.
I know it is. I had a hernia though. That's weird.
A little bit, yeah.
How much? I tried to see the paperwork the girl sent, but it wasn't in the paperwork. How much was my muscle dilate? Like,
ooh, I didn't mark that, but it was probably about that far.
Whoa.
And our muscles had separated.
Yeah, that's why I told you that you.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know. You know how sometimes like your muscles are so spread apart because of pregnancy.
You're almost a foot wide. I pulled in.
That my muscles were.
Yeah.
Wow. No wonder I've been in so much muscle pain.
Well, it was hard for you to get up because your rectus muscles were out here.
Yeah.
And once I pulled them in, now it's easy to get up.
Yeah.
So your muscles are in line.
But you know, I'm not used to it being so tight.
Yeah. Oh Yeah.
And so that's why
Yeah.
I actually have muscles.
Yeah, no, you do. You look good. You look good. So when you're sitting like this, you have a little skin, but the whole point is when you're standing up,
yeah,
you're gonna have a nice
and hopefully
contour.
this is just swelling, I think,
Yeah,
right
it
here.
is. There's some skin, but I want the waistline to come in. That's beautiful because you want that hourglass look.
Yeah.
Versus leaving the skin out like that and like a barrel. You don't want that. You don't want skin.
Well, and I lost so much weight, and I'm so short torso.
I don't know. You look good.
So it's probably that's why I have a little.
Your belly looks.
But
awesome.
this, when I'm not as swollen, this is actually flat.
Yeah, no, it is.
So
it'll be flat.
It's just been. All right, so that's how my appointment went. 1 month checkup, and as you can see, I was so glad I asked the question about how far was I separated, because that wasn't in the records. And actually, when he sent me the records, not all like the liposections were on there either. It was missing quite a bit, but because he had told me some areas that he had lipoed for stubborn fat areas that I had, and they weren't even listed. So I can't believe that about the muscle, like how far my abs were, but actually it totally makes sense because I've been in so much ab muscle pain. I still am. In fact, that's what I forgot to ask, was a refill on my muscle relaxers. So I might have to call in for that because I've just been taking one at night, not two like I was, but I definitely need that. Like at nighttime, I have to take 4 Advil and 1 muscle relaxer, because during the night when moving and stuff, it really can get really painful. There was one night I didn't even take Advil, and I noticed it was a miserable night. So, and that was this week. So that was really interesting hearing him say that. He said it was a foot, but he was holding up about 8 inches. So yeah, good appointment. My belly button is hurting right now. It is. I was just telling my mom it's hurting. So I can tell my garment has gone down. Like I think I'm gonna order a smaller size now. But he said to keep wearing the foam pads underneath my garment. That kind of helps just to protect my stomach and my belly button, and helps put pressure there without hurting my stomach. So I'm gonna do that. That's really helped me a lot, having that foam pad underneath my garment. And you can get a 3-pack of those on Amazon. I will link it in my Amazon storefront, which is linked in my link tree. So I will add that in under health, all things health. It will be in there. I'll link that up in my storefront. But it's been really good. My garment is actually from Karina Raven Fitness. It's KarinaRavenFit.com. She's on Instagram too. I love my garment. It's great. And so it's been totally awesome. Totally awesome. And they fit true to size. So just follow her measurements and her size guide, and that's right. So anyways, the doctor wants to see me in 3 months. So my next probably update video will probably be in like a month or 2. And it will not be a doctor's visit, but just kind of maybe some pictures and some video of how everything's looking. But my incision looks awesome. It's not red or anything like that, which my C-section scar was super red all the time. Like it was always purple, red. So this doesn't look like it. I just have some scabbing still there, and got to get off the sticky stuff. But overall, really excited, healing well, and it's all like starting to come together. Yay! Hey everyone, so kind of wanted to close up this segment for 1 month from my tummy tuck journey. I'm gonna have some other tummy tuck segment videos in this playlist on my channel of just things for like preparation and just some tips. I'll also do some updates along the way, but this is gonna be the end for the update for 1 month. Today is day 32. Yesterday was Easter. The day before I had a family birthday party, so it was a busy weekend. Friday was my follow-up appointment, and then Saturday, family birthday, and then Sunday church and Easter. And so today, I slept like over 10 hours last night. And then I went for a walk this morning. My doctor said I could actually go for a walk. So I took it easy, very slow. I live in a neighborhood that's pretty up and down some hills, but it felt good. I went really slow. I can tell that I can't go back to my, just yet, to my running or walking really fast. So learning to, because I wanted to push myself, but also learning that I don't want to pay for it later. I have work to do, and going back, you know, I work from home and then work at the office this week and getting the kids back in school. So I can't push myself too hard and then pay for it later. But it was nice to just kind of get out, walk around. And so anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below, give a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have your support. There'll be more videos coming as far as some advice or 5 things I wish I would have known before I got a tummy tuck. Just kind of stuff like that. So stay tuned and don't forget to shine bright, love others, be kind. Bye.